Shalom, everybody. Ezra, the grindstone mechanic. Had a tornado bounce through our hometown, so we couldn't make it to the Kentucky deployment, but we decided to help out some neighbors here. The fathers tapped us on the shoulder for that. Had a house from the 50s here. This house was one of the only houses on this street to get hit, and I think the tornado landed right on top of it. So we've cleaned up the debris. The local transfer station has decided to close, so all we could do was pile it up for them. And we're going to haul off some of this scrap steel to try and make them some money back for that, because they didn't have insurance. So we're going to try and help them out the best we can. That's what we're supposed to do. That's what the fathers called us to do. So we're here in the rain doing it. Love you guys.